Racing. As they settle, we have Rain of Fire, break quickly restart. Moving upon the outside, Dancing Queen, then followed over by entry number 8, and this one is Fighting Jet. Lucas Bright comes next, Binget. Naman naman, then followed over by 2A, and this one is Sound of the Wind. And going along for the first turn, we have Rain of Fire, the early leader by about 2 lengths. Right then, in second now is entry number 7, and this one is Dancing Queen. We have Rain of Fire maintaining a 3 lengths lead. Dancing Queen in second, moving upon the outside now, Mika's Pride. Then followed over by Fighting Jack. Moving up now is Binget running alongside Naman Naman. Next online, Heart of the Wind, Sound of the Wind, Saint Emilion, Heart of My Soul. While for A, and there is Lord of the Ring, who's racing in 11th. Another part turn, we have 2 entries. Body out for lead. This time we have Mika's Pride moves up by a length and a half. And dropping back in second now is Rain of Fire. We have Mika's Pride Fighting Jack moving upon the outside. Rain of Fire is down into the space wing for home. We have Mika's Pride Fighting Jack moves up now on the outside to take the lead with about 150 meters more to run. We have Fighting Jack. Mika's Pride is down on the inside. We have Fighting Jack. Mika's Pride moving upon the outside. Heart of the Wind, and finally it's Fighting Jack. Second, Mika's Pride, Heart of the Wind. Then comes Dancing